My name is Mike Feeney, and I'm a mental health speaker, author, writer, and I'm a drummer. And for my entire life, I've battled mental health challenges. And nowadays, I use my time trying to help others. Teachers and administrators who focus on their mental and emotional well-being inspire students to focus on their mental and emotional well-being. It's that simple. And the reality is, today more than ever before, we're battling suicide. And over the past 20 years, there's been a decrease in suicide amongst young people throughout the world. That's great. But an increase, 18% to be exact, in the United States. That's a problem. As an educator, it's really important that you learn not just about tactics that you can use to help youth, but also what it's like. You see, I was that student in your class that was struggling, that had behavior problems, that you couldn't understand why I was behaving a certain way. And I can share with you a lot about what was going on behind the scenes, and most importantly, what would have helped me. And that's what I want to give to you. And to give you a new perspective on just what to keep in mind when you're helping a student who's struggling.